Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, Saturday for the first time, publicly reflected on the death of former Foreign Affairs Minister Lieutenant General retired Sibusiso Moyo and Air Chief Marshal retired Prudence Shiri, two key military figures whose sudden departures marked a dramatic turning point in Zimbabwe's post-2017 power struggle. Tisadabva mashoko budanyuka pangwa ine achinzi Chiwenga breaks silence on SB Moyo mysterious death, and remember subscribe or like it on the bell kuti ndaona mubudanyuka mchinzi. Chiwenga was speaking in Harare yesterday at the wedding ceremony of SB Moyo's son, Sibusiso Brandon Moyo, and his wife, Tawana Messi Gawaza, in what was both a personal and political symbolic moment. Chiwenga, Moyo, and Shiri formed the core military triumvirate behind the 2017 coup that ended Robert Mugabe's 37-year-old rule. At the time, Chiwenga was commander of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces. SB Moyo was the military public face who announced the intervention on national television, and Shiri commanded the Air Force, providing crucial operational support. Together, they facilitated the return of Emmerson Mnangagwa, who had fled the country days earlier after being dismissed as vice president, and installed him as president following Mugabe's forced resignation. Multiple political military insiders have long maintained that 2017 tension was underpinned by an elite power-sharing understanding, in which Mnangagwa would serve a single term before handing over to Chiwenga around 2023. That arrangement never materialized. Soon after consolidating power, Mnangagwa began systematically dismantling the military faction aligned to Chiwenga. Several senior commanders linked to the Coup era alliance were assassinated, retired, sidelined, or stripped of influence. Air Chief Marshal Prudence Shiri, once one of Mnangagwa's most feared enforcers and later agriculture minister, died in July 2020 under opaque circumstances officially attributed to COVID illness. SB Moyo followed in January 2021 with government citing COVID-19 complications, claims that were met with widespread skepticism given his reported recovery in days earlier. Their deaths effectively collapsed Chiwenga's military power base, leaving Mnangagwa family in control of both the state and security apparatus. Since then, Mnangagwa has openly pursued his controversial 23rd agenda aimed at extending his rule beyond constitutional term limits, a move Chiwenga's allies strongly oppose. Leo mashoko ari kuda panguva ino yatisataura pamusoro penhau aiwa yaVP Constantino Chiwenga nema-allies avo vanozivikanwa kunzi vakatsakatika during the COVID-19 era. Pera comment section medu dzofungiro emo today pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So unsubscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.